Welcome back, focused learners. Okay, today we're tackling something that is literally reshaping how we think about content creation. We're looking at a highly structured blueprint for building an entirely successful YouTube channel using an exclusively AI-driven workflow. And to be clear, we aren't just talking about using artificial intelligence to, help out with a tiny task here or there. No, we're talking about mapping out a massive end-to-end production pipeline where AI is the engine driving every single step. It is an absolutely fascinating look at modern capabilities, and honestly, it kind of challenges everything we thought we knew about how long it takes to produce compelling content.
So can AI build a successful channel from scratch? Now that is a provocative hook, right? I really want you to emphasize those last two words in your mind, from scratch. We are starting with an absolutely blank slate here. No pre-existing footage, no fancy studio equipment, definitely no massive production crew. We're examining the source blueprint that challenges us to go from absolutely zero to a fully realized channel by handing the heavy lifting entirely over to AI. It's a hugely ambitious goal for sure, but as you'll see as we break down this structure, the whole process is completely mapped out.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll start with the complete AI workflow, move into the foundation of ideas and scripts, explore the creation phase, look at packaging, touch on optimization, and finally wrap up with the professional documentary standard.
Section 1. The complete AI workflow. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer exhaustive magnitude of it. Just take a look at these 10 elements pulled straight from our source. We've got ideas, scripts, voice, images, animation, editing, SEO, thumbnail, publishing, all culminating in a professional documentary. Now think about this. If a human team were doing all of this manually, you'd need a dedicated writer, a voice actor, an illustrator, a whole animation team, a video editor, a marketing guru, and honestly, a pretty massive coffee budget to keep everyone going. But in this blueprint, this entire 10-step workflow is driven exclusively by AI. It's the whole shebang, but to really wrap our heads around how it functions, we need to organize it into a more practical narrative.
So to make this super efficient, we can categorize this raw workflow into 3 distinct logical phases of chronological creation. First up, pre-production, which is where ideas and scripts live. Next, we hit the production phase, covering voice, images, and animation. And finally, post and promo, housing editing, thumbnail, SEO, and publishing. By looking at the workflow through this structured lens, what was just a chaotic list becomes a highly manageable, step-by-step factory line. It essentially shifts your role, right? You go from doing all the grueling manual labor to acting as a highly efficient executive producer.
Section 2. Foundation, ideas, and scripts.
Every successful build needs a rock-solid base, right? So the workflow must always begin at step 1, ideas. This is the seed. You can't just yell at an AI to make a good video and expect magic. But once that core idea is established, it's immediately fed into the next stage of the pipeline to be transformed into step 2, scripts. So you go from this theoretical, floating concept to a highly structured, written architecture. The AI takes your foundational idea and builds out the narrative framework, the pacing, basically the entire structural skeleton of the piece. Without these 2 steps, the rest of the workflow literally has nothing to process. This is exactly where your human creativity guides the machine.
Section 3. Creation, voice, images, and animation.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because this is a really rapid sequence of events. First, the script dictates the voice. The AI generates the spoken audio, giving your channel its unique tone and personality. Next, paired directly with that voice, we need some visuals, which leads us to step 2, images. The AI cooks up the exact graphical assets required by the script. But, static images aren't really enough for a compelling modern video, which brings us to step 3, animation. The AI takes those flat images and brings them to life. And the best part, unlike a human animator, it definitely doesn't need to take weekends off. So it's voice, images, animation, happening in rapid sequence to forge your raw media.
Section 4. Packaging, editing, and thumbnails.
So the crucial point here is that this workflow carefully balances 2 very different types of packaging. On one side, we have editing for internal quality control. This ensures that the voice, images, and animation are cut together perfectly for maximum impact and pacing. But actually, editing alone isn't enough. We also absolutely need the thumbnail. That's the external packaging. It's the hook that actually gets a viewer to stop scrolling and click. Because let's face it, it doesn't matter how beautifully edited your video is if it just gets lost in the platform's feed. So the workflow requires equal attention to assembling that internal content and designing an irresistible external visual hook.
Section 5. Optimization, SEO, and publishing.
We are in the final stretch now. These are the logistical steps to get this perfectly packaged media in front of actual human eyeballs. Step 1 is SEO, search engine optimization. The AI workflow is leveraged here to completely optimize your titles, descriptions, and metadata. This ensures the algorithm knows exactly who needs to see your work. Once that SEO is totally dialed in, the workflow culminates in step 2, publishing. You press the button, the AI-generated content goes live to the world, and boom, the pipeline is complete.
Section 6, the Professional Documentary Standard.
And this brilliantly illustrates the incredible scale of what we're talking about here. Let's remember where we started, from scratch, absolutely nothing. Now consider the intended destination of this 10-step AI workflow, a professional documentary. It is a literal zero-to-hero contrast. The workflow isn't designed to just pump out cheap, low-effort, spanny clips, not at all. It is structured to replicate the ultimate high-quality output that you'd usually expect from a dedicated documentary team.
Professional documentary. I really want to land on this exact phrase from our source material today. This is the benchmark. From those foundational ideas and scripts, through the creation of voice, images, and animation, into the packaging of editing and thumbnails, and finally the optimization of SEO and publishing, every single step is designed to hit this specific premium standard. It absolutely proves that this technology, when you apply it through a rigorous step-by-step structure, is capable of producing top-tier content, meaning that massive traditional barrier to entry for high-quality storytelling, it has practically vanished.
So I want to leave you with this final burning question. What will you build first with this complete AI workflow? You've got the entire chronological blueprint now. You have seen exactly how a completely blank slate can be transformed into a professional documentary standard using nothing but artificial intelligence and a highly structured process. The tools are ready, the pipeline is clear. Literally, the only thing missing right now is that very first step, your idea. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep organizing, and I'll catch you next time.